I.
Oh yeah. One more time. Oh, more Coco.
I like and decided.
Hey, Paul. From Carlisle to Nolly, there's a certain way we do what we do. Day by day, at work or play in these islands. Grandma's dancing her favorite line, brother's strumming tunes on his old guitar. Papa with the baby, passing the night away. Life in these islands. Life in these islands. Fun on the beach, playing in the sand, walking ancient trails in the misty upland, riding the surf on a rolling swell in these islands. Gathering flowers to string a lake, being with the water this special day, sharing our aloha with everyone in these islands. Life in these islands. Life in these islands. If you follow your heart, then you understand that there's no place on earth like my island. Strolling along on a moonlit night, telling stories by the firelight, reading the ocean breeze on these islands, where rivers flow out in the sea. I can return to the land as it rains on me. There's no other feeling like